Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by verifying AirPods Pro 2 battery level is sufficient and case shows charge. Check both left and right earbuds and the charging case light indicator. Ensure Bluetooth is on and your iPhone runs iOS 17 or later for best compatibility. Turn Bluetooth off and on again from settings if needed. Move within 10 feet and remove other wireless interference sources like microwaves and crowded Wi-Fi channels. Restart your iPhone by powering it off and then on to clear temporary glitches. If checks fail, perform a full reset and repair sequence with your device. Delete the AirPods entry from Bluetooth settings on your device first to avoid pairing conflicts. Reset AirPods Pro 2 by holding the case button for 15 seconds until amber blinks and then white flashes. Place earbuds in the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, then open and hold near the iPhone to trigger setup. Complete the repair process by following the on-screen prompts and granting any requested permissions. If repairing fails, proceed with advanced troubleshooting steps before seeking service. Update device firmware and iOS to latest versions to fix compatibility problems and bug regressions. Test AirPods with another phone or tablet to isolate device versus AirPods issues and confirm whether the problem follows the earbuds. Reset network settings on the phone to clear Bluetooth cache and known device lists. If issues persist, check for visible damage. Then contact Apple support or visit an Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.